In pharmacy sciences, what we're basically learning is how to be a pharmacy technician and work in pharmacy in all the different capacities. First year, we learn a lot of different drug names. We learn medical terminology, have medical math.
So at the start of the week, we're usually introduced like a new topic. So this week, we're learning about cardiovascular drugs. So you learn a lot of drug names and then like prefixes and suffixes, while also doing hands-on stuff like learning how to make medicine like tablets, capsules, suspensions.
Every Thursday we have a lab, and every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we have pharmacy math, which is mainly conversions and learning how to get the right measurements with different medications. We usually get a list of drugs for the week, and every Friday we have a test.
Second semester and onward, we start to talk about sterile compounding, which is more of making IVs. That pharmacy technicians are the ones who do that. So making IVs is really important, learning the process of getting garbed up to go into a clean room, and then how to aseptically, so cleanly, make IVs so that you don't infect your patients.
Now senior year, we are in anatomy and physiology as well as pharmacy. We are working on Pass Assured, which is what's going to get us prepared for our test by the end of the year to get our certificate for pharmacy technician. We are also doing anatomy and physiology, where we are learning about the body and organs and muscles and all the above.
They teach you everything you need to know in here, to make capsules, you learn that here. To make your IV bags, you learn that here. So you can either go straight into a hospital, or you can go straight into like your local Walgreens.
They offer a lot of field trips to like other colleges, and one college that we've been on a field trip was University of Health Science and Pharmacy, and it really shows a bunch of programs of that university, and it's very interesting.
Our uniform is burgundy or wine-colored scrubs, tops and bottoms. That's what students wear Monday through Thursday, with Friday being kind of a free day. The equipment that we use is the same thing that you're going to see in a community pharmacy or in a hospital pharmacy within the limitations of our school. So we're talking about a mortar and pestle for compounding. We're talking accounting trays, syringes, needles, IV bags. We don't use actual drug, but we use other things that can be substituted in for that.
I think it's like good like real world experience, because like there's only so much you can do with like just sitting and like listening and taking notes on a lecture. But like here, since you're able to do hands-on stuff and like learn and do things that like will apply to the real world, I think that's very like beneficial.